Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, air conditioning, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and smartphone wireless charging. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.